Today we are going to learn how to make database in MySQL as well as how to create a table in a particular database. So we are in a MySQL terminal. For that we need to log in first. So first we will see the existing databases in the PC. To display the existing database, the command which is used is show databases. Enter. These are the existing databases. Now if we want to use any of these existing database, then simply we need to type use and the database name. For an example, we can say SALES, sales. We will be redirected in the database sales. But what we are interested in, we will create our own database, and in that particular database we'll be making table and storing the data. So here we'll create a database. For that, create database name, let's say student. This is the database name. Database has been created. Now we have to use the database that we created. So for that we'll type use student. Now we are redirected to the database student. Here we'll be creating a table, create table name, let's say student detail. Okay, and in this parenthesis we have to mention all the column name that we are going to keep in the table. So the first column, let's say it is serial number SN, that is of integer type. Second is name, that is of type var char, whose size is, let's say 50. Next is, let's say branch, branch, whose type is var char. Again its length is, let's say 50. Now last we need to add year, that is of integer type. Okay, yes. Okay, we are done with the making table. Now let so the display the table. So tabs, this will display the table. This is the table we just made. Now we will be adding the data in student detail. For that we need to type insert into table name, that is studentail, student detail. Here values. Now first column is serial number, let's say 1. Second column is name, let's say Ram. Third column is branch, let's say CSC. And the last is year, let's say first year, 1. We want some more values. 2. Similarly we can go on by adding RE, let's say it's from ENTC, second year. Okay, again 3 Sita, let's say is from AI ML third year. Now again let's say 4. Geeta is from IT. Let's say she's from 4th year. Now here will be enter. So we have successfully entered the data. Now we will display the table student detail. So for displaying the table, we need to select SELECT, select star refers to all, select a star from table name, that is STU underscore DETAIL. This is table name. Press enter. We got the table and we have successfully entered the elements. So this is how we can make a database, and in that database we can make table. This is one table. In a single database we can make multiples table as per our requirement. So if you want to delete any table from the database, so for that what we need to do is we need to write drop table and table name, that is STUDETAIL detail. This has been deleted. So if we want to see the table in student detail, so we cannot it has been removed from the list. So DBLES tables, set empty. See, we have already deleted, that is why it is showing that set is empty. This is it. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.